Okay, so let's proceed tayo dito sa may sample problem number 8. So sample problem number 8, let's read. If the specific volume of a certain gas is 0.7848 meter cube per kilogram, so ang pinapahanap is what is its specific weight. So ano daw yung specific weight natin? So from VS. So, specific volume yung given natin. And then, pinapahanap is the specific weight. So, given a specific volume na 0.7848 kilogram. Ay, hindi. Cubic pala yun. Per kilogram. And then, ang pinapahanap is the specific weight. Ayan. Or the gamma. So, yan yung pinapahanap sa atin. So, mahahanap natin siya from the formula na gamma. So, dito na lang, isulat na lang natin dito. Gamma times the density times the gravity, or the acceleration due to gravity. So, una is, wala tayong ito, density of a certain gas. So, ito, hahanapin muna natin. So, let's proceed. So, gamma, so gas, so gamma, or density, or the raw times VS, and then ano natin, kabila, VS pala is equal to 1 over yan, ito para mahanap natin to. So V 0.7848 cubic meter divided by kilogram is equal to 1 over yan, density or the raw. So makukuha natin yung raw is equal to, mababaliktad lang naman to, ayan, so magiging times 1 divided by 0.7848, which is 1.274 12742, ayan, para ano tayo, kilogram per cubic meter. So, ano tayo, nabaliktad yung formula natin. Ito yung formula. Yung unit, I should say. Yan, unit. So, yan. So, meron na tayong P or the density. So, pwede na nating isalpak sa formula natin, which is para makuha natin yung specific weight of a certain gas. Ayan. So, 1.2742 kilogram per cubic meter times the acceleration due to gravity, which is the 9.81 meter per second squared. Ayan. Makukuha natin is, so 1.2742 times 9.81. Ayan. So, 12.499. So, let's say 12. Ano na lang siya? 12.5. So, kilogram meter per second squared all over cubic meter. So, di ba, ito, kilogram times meter per second squared ay equal lang siya sa Newton. So, for simplification, yung specific weight natin is 12.5 Newton per cubic meter. So, here is our final answer for sample problem number 8. Specific weight is 12.5 Newton